You doing all right today? Say again. I think I have a dollar. I also have some shoes as well. Do you need some new shoes? What size do you wear? 8.5 and 9. Let me see where I parked in this parking lot right here. I'll be right. Of course. That and women's, right? Okay. All right. I'm pretty sure. So 8.5 and women's will be a kid 7. So I'm pretty sure. So this is a 7 right here. I got that for. I ain't gonna lie, them pink shoes that she had on, I thought them was some Air Max 90s. I ain't gonna lie to you, but them Johns with some Skechers. These are dirty. Oh wait, no, these are good. Oh, I can give these to her. Hmm. She said 8.5, 9. So yeah, this will probably be good. I get it in the box too. Yeah, that's and then I'll have time to clean these. So we'll give her these. Yeah, these are brand new, got the receipt and everything. And then we'll probably give her a jacket as well. Probably needs one. Bro, it's getting cold in Texas now. Yeah, they're brand new. It's a, of course. Yeah, yeah, of course. Let me know if it fit. No, you're good. Yeah. It's a nine in women's. That's good. Yeah, yeah. Make sure. Yeah, those are brand new. They got the receipt in them as well too. And of course, I didn't have any cash. If they, yeah, of course. I ended up finding $1. Of course. Where you trying to go? Web Chapel. Okay, that's good. And that jacket, that's my clothing brand. So yeah, the faces on there, it represents like the sin. So any time I sin, I pick four of the sins, and it's just a constant reminder of what I shouldn't be doing just to get better in life. So some of the sins that I struggle with, I just represent them with the faces on them. So same thing with whatever you might be going through, just have it as a constant reminder. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You already know. Yes, ma'am. I hope you get better. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. I'm glad. I'm glad. Ooh, and we got them a day early. And this actually, I'm glad that they coming back out with some heat, man. Travis has been on the decline lately. Everything's been on the decline lately, but I'm glad because I get to my plug. He's out here, out in Dallas, so I get to come to the main city and I get to help out the people because, we got the public transportation things like that. But here we got the unboxing, man. So hopefully we get to the channel, we get it to one point where we can give these type of shoes out to the homeless as well. So once we just cash out at the Foot Lockers, et cetera, or the new releases come, we can just give it back to them and have them do the unboxing because sneakers make everybody happy. So let's see. We got the Travis branded bag. I ain't gonna lie. I had the first pair of these, and I don't think it had a bag for sure, but I don't think it was branded. Unless I don't remember. I really don't, honestly. Now I do hate when they individually wrap the shoes like this, bro. It's just like such a pain. I ain't gonna lie. But nah, these are fire. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, with the jack. Oh yeah, these are fire. These are fire. I feel like if we gonna keep on coming with these same dark brown and colorways, bro, like this did it differently. I feel like all of his brown or just like his mocha type colorways. I feel like all of them are hits, but when he starts like experimenting, you just give us like regular stuff like that yellow and blue and the olives, bro. Those are just all basic. But this right here, I feel like the mocha, the brown is just his signature thing, and we just need to stick with it. And if you're gonna keep on spamming it, at least spam something good, bro. So this is solid. I always like the details in it. Retail is 200. They come out tomorrow. I don't know. Hopefully I get to post it a day early. But release date is November 26th. Now I gotta individually wrap this up again, bro, and put it in the bag for my customer. Um, but yeah, man, these are fire. These are super fire. Me personally, I'm not gonna keep them though, unless I hit on sneakers. If I hit on sneakers, which I'm probably not, I'll keep them. But if not, Plug was charging a little bit too much out of my price range. But we got these bad boys sold, so I'm just selling shoes at this point to be able to help other less fortunate people. So just using my platform, using shoes to just continue to, I was grateful for opportunity and I need to be able to give it back. So here is the details. Jumpman Jack TR, dark mocha slash back. This is size 10, and the color code is FZ8117204.